Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. And today I have a double unboxing for you. I'm super excited because I get to share one of my very favorite things with you. And I have a Rocksbox unboxing as well. But let's talk about one of my very favorite things first. And before I do that, I have to tell you, both pups are here with me. Cena wants to say hi. Do you want to say hi? Yes, tell everyone hi and welcome and thank you for joining us. And I have treats here, so this is what she's keeping her eye on because that's the most important thing in all the world. Wyatt's here too. We'll make sure we start off the video right. She likes payment up front. Wyatt, can you say hi to everybody? Yes? Tell everybody hi and then I'll give you your treat too. All right? Okay, so one of my very favorite things, and I use it every single day, is my silk pillowcase. I have super fine hair, and it's always breaking, and it's always a problem for me. So I have to be really careful with it. So every single day, I use my silk pillowcase. And you guys are probably very familiar if you've been following me and my videos, and I've done several LilySilk videos. They have sent me some awesome items. I've done a video for a little black dress that was a silk black dress, and I've done several blouses, most recently a beautiful leopard print silk blouse. Well, when they heard that one of my favorite things is my silk pillowcase, guess what they sent me in this beautiful, beautiful box? Silk pillowcases for my bed. So I am so very, very excited to check out what is in this box. So check out this presentation. I love their boxes. I think it is so very, very pretty. And I'm so excited because I only have the one set of silk pillowcases right now. And whenever you use silk pillowcases, I do wash them on delicate. They do beautifully, but you have to let them air dry. So if I don't plan first thing in the morning, then I have to wait till the next day to wash them. So this will be so very nice. I'll have an extra set so I can make sure I have time to swap them out. So first of all, I want to show you how beautiful this silk is. And silk is fantastic for your hair. As I said, I have very fine hair and it will break easily. That is why I do sleep on a silk pillowcase, and it has done wonders for my hair. So this particular pillowcase has the hidden zipper. You guys can barely see this. So it does have the hidden zipper, which I love because you can't even see once you put your pillow in here. You zip it all up. And then you can't even see it, doesn't come out. And I do have king pillowcases, so look how nice and big this is. I love navy blue. This is the color scheme of my bedspread, you guys can see here. And it feels luxurious. So we're talking high quality, super soft, fantastic. The dogs are about to get rowdy here, so you might hear them shortly. Wonderful fabric. So also I did get a set of them, which I'm going to pause and put them on my pillowcases so you guys get to see exactly what they look like here in just a minute. Can you two behave? We're working. If you're not going to behave, you're not going to get paid. Hey. Hey. All right. So also inside my box, I got this little pamphlet. What are you doing? Pay attention. All right. Inside there is a little pamphlet. So let me tell you a little bit about this silk. It is a luxury silk brand. LilySilk is a luxury silk brand. It was founded in 2011, so it has been around for several years now. It's committed to redefining the silk industry with the finest grade of 6A mulberry silk. It is certified by the Swiss authoritative OECO, and Tech Standard. And They do have a 45-day satisfaction guarantee. And Wyatt's over here trying to get into the treat bag after you two were just not behaving. They also have monogram services. So actually, here's a picture of the navy. You could also get the silk sheets, and they do monogramming services as well. They do have on their website, which I will put all this information down below, many, many, many silk products. As I mentioned, I've had experience with the dresses, experience with the blouses, and now with the pillowcases, which is one of my very favorite things because I use it every single day. I do, of course, have a code for you, so I will put that down below, but I have a code for you to get 12% off of anything you purchase from the LilySilk site. And it is little BOH, and I will put that for Box of Happy. I will put that down below, and you can get 12% off anything off of their site, including these beautiful pillowcases. So I will put that down below, and I'm going to pause. I'm going to put them on my pillowcases, and we will be right back so you get to see what these look like. I'm loving this. Be right back. Okay, so I have got my pillowcase on my pillow, and I do love that it has the hidden zipper here on the side, so you can't even tell until you actually get to where the zipper actually is at the bottom. You can't even tell. So this is so nice that it is completely hidden. You don't have to worry about this slipping off of your pillow. That's one of my very favorite features, along with the soft and silky feel of this fabric. It is quite amazing. I have to tell you, it is wonderful. It is moisture wicking fabric as well. Zena loves it. Yes, I know. But she's not allowed on my pillow. So I have a feeling whenever I'm traveling, she might sneak onto my pillow, but she's not allowed on my pillow, right? Tell them. You're not allowed on my pillow. That's one of the places you're not allowed to be. Yes. But it is moisture wicking, and it is awesome for your skin, and your hair as well. One of my very favorite things. I know I've said it several times. So this is what it looks like on the pillow. I love the navy color because I feel like it is a very forgiving color. And it goes well with my bedspread. So I will show you here what they both look like, which I think I just hid Zena. I have on both of my pillows now, so you guys can see what it looks like. Yeah. So what do you think? Have any of you tried the silk pillowcases? It really has made a difference for me. My hair before this was breaking. I was getting a lot more split ends. It was breaking a lot more. And ever since I have switched to the silk pillowcase, it has made a huge difference for me. So, again, I will put all of this information down below for you. I'll put a link to the pillowcase as well as the code for you to be able to get the 12% off anything off of their site. So, the dogs are getting rowdy. I think we need to move on, right? Wyatt. Hey. Okay, so next up we are going to do Rocksbox. So let's check out what is inside this box. I already forgot. They send you a preview, which I love about Rocksbox. If you don't like your set, you can ask for new items. So Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription service. It is a rental service, so you get to try the pieces for as long as you'd like. It's $21 a month. If you decide you want to keep something, then you pay for whatever you'd like to keep. You can apply that $21 towards anything that you would like to keep. If you want to keep all 3 items, you could stretch that out for 3 months because you are allowed to keep these items for as long as you'd like. If you don't like anything, as soon as you get it, you can send it right back and get another set. As soon as they register it in the mail that it is on its way back, they will start to curate your next set. So you could, in essence, switch this out as many times as you wanted within a month. You do get a little card in the mail, a little envelope here, that pamphlet that explains to you each of the items that you get and what the retail value is and how much they are. You also get a care card that explains how to care for your jewelry. So here is my little box. And here's what it looks like inside. And here is my bundle. You always get a return envelope, so you want to keep all of your packaging. Everything goes right back into the box. You put your return address label right on top of it and put it right back in the mail. Everything is free shipping both ways. Everything comes inside your little jewelry pouches. I think I got the puppies to finally settle down. Do you think, Zena? All right, so first up is a pair of Kendra Scott filigree earrings in silver. What do you guys think of those? They're very lightweight. The price on these is $75. So I'm guessing that these are true silver. So let's check these out. If I can hurry up and get them on for you. You always get 3 items. As I mentioned, you do get to preview your set. So if you don't like a particular item that was curated for you, you are allowed to swap out your pieces. I believe you have at least 24 hours to swap out your set and pick something else, which is nice. So you're almost guaranteed to get items you want to try. I do like the rental service from the perspective that I get to try items I might not be sure I really want. So sometimes I'll try items that I'm on the fence about, like, do I really think that I'm going to like something like this? And then I get a chance to try it. So what do you guys think of this? I think they're pretty. Very pretty. Okay, let's move on. $75 seems like a lot though, right? But they are pretty. And this came with a little card. So these are Kendra Scott. Our metals are sensitive to water and chemicals found in cosmetics, lotions, and sprays. Our genuine stones can break or scratch. So this is genuine. So this must be genuine silver that they're talking about. So it came with an actual little card from Kendra Scott about the earrings. Okay. Next item is the Slate Monroe necklace in silver. And let's see what this looks like. You guys can't see Wyatt. He's over here on my left, and he has settled down and going to sleep, which is his normal thing to do whenever I do a video. So this necklace is nice. It's a nice, pretty, basic piece. There's no sparklies on it. It's just a little bar. So that's really pretty. And this is a retail price of $50. And the price, the member price is $42. So let me get this on for you. It is a very delicate chain. So I'm hoping that I can get this on quickly for you, or else I will pause. Yep, I'm going to pause for you. Okay, so I have this piece on. I think it's a very nice, delicate, basic piece. What do you guys think? You guys can see that. Get a little bit closer. Yeah, I think it's pretty. All right, one more item. And this is another pair of earrings. This is the Slate Aria hoops in silver. Look how pretty those are. They have sparkle. Listen to Zena making all kinds of noise over there. What are you doing, Z? She's moved over behind me. Those are pretty. Okay, so the retail price of those is $50 and the member price is $42. So if I were to keep all 3 pieces, it would be $163. You get a discount of $10 if you buy all 3. And then you would get the $21 off for the month. But you could drag that out for 3 months and each month buy 1 piece to get that $21 each month off an item. So just keep that in mind if you want to keep all 3 pieces. Otherwise, you just buy your favorite, send the other 2 back, and get new pieces. That's generally what I do. I don't think I've ever bought all 3 pieces. I generally keep my favorite and send the others back. Okay, so here is the hoop. So that's different. I like that. What do you think, C? Can you guys see that? I think that's pretty. Do you like the hoop? What are you doing? You're not used to being in this room, huh? So I am liking this one. I think these hoops are pretty. They're much lighter than the other silver Kendra Scott earrings. I like that they have a little bit of sparkle. They're not quite as big. What do you think? All right, so I will put my link to Rocksbox down below because if you use my link, then you will get your first box for free. Yes, for free. What? Wyatt is like going to sleep here. Come on, you want to say hi to everybody? You kind of fell off the camera. Yeah, and Zena's starting to peel out because she wants treats. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it was a 2-parter. 2 very different subjects, but I hope you've enjoyed. Please consider hitting that like button. I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and join us for more videos. You never know what's going to happen, right? If you've already subscribed, thank you so very much. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.